All right, so a fragrance I've been excited to get for a long time is Tabac. Now, Tabac is supposed to be a clone of Tobacco Color, which is a harder, well, it's more expensive fragrance from Dior, from their private line. And I smelled it in New York City and I loved it, but I didn't love the price. So I thought, you know what, I'm gonna look for Tabac. Well, a friend of mine found it and he bought it. And so then I'm like, where is it? So I found it on Amazon. And so let me show you the presentation. So it comes in the cylinder right here. I've already kind of opened it so I can show you. And then the bottle sits snugly in there. Honestly, it was kind of hard to get out. It was so shoved in there that it's just perfect. And it fits perfectly. So you have Maison Alhambra on the top. You've got the name of the fragrance. It's an eau de parfum on the side. It's a nice little box, I guess you could call it, cylinder. I actually really like it. And you have Maison Alhambra on the side right there. So kudos for the packaging. Now, what does it look like though? So here's the bottle. Looks very much like the private line blend, which also looks like Sauvage for those of you that haven't seen. This is what their private blend looks like. The cap is not metallic. Metallic. Why can I ever say magnetic? It's not magnetic. It just kind of sits snugly in place. It doesn't click in. It just kind of sits in, pushes in. But this fragrance is incredible. Now I got it on Thursday. I was supposed to get it Friday. I got it Thursday instead. This is a wonderful fragrance. Actually, I'm going to apply it because I love it. It's a nice atomizer. If you can see, it sprays out a pretty good amount. It's not pressurized like Dior normally does, but it is a very good atomizer, especially when you consider the price. I paid, I think it was $34 for this fragrance. Love it. Now, it smells luxurious. It has a heavy honey note to it with the tobacco and a spice. Now, I believe it's cinnamon. I haven't looked up the notes, but oh, I love this fragrance. This is one of my favorite fragrances at the moment. This is going to be one amazing winter fragrance that I'll wear a lot this year. Now, I will say, last night I got back from the airport and I applied it real quick and went back outside to pick up something, and it was cold out. Well, when I hit that cool air, it just burst, and all of a sudden I'm just getting overwhelmed with this fragrance. I had one on each side of my neck. This is a wonderful fragrance. Now, I can't talk to you about longevity yet, but I will say when I sprayed it Thursday night, about 10 hours later the next day, I could still smell it. It was close to skin scent, but I could still smell it. Now, this is very high quality, I would say. I don't know the ingredients. I don't know the levels. I'm sure you could say it's not the same as tobacco color. That's why it's so much cheaper. That's fine. But it smells luxurious. It smells high class. It smells expensive. This is just going to be an amazing winter fragrance I'm going to wear a lot this year. Now, unfortunately, this is not a super versatile fragrance. Like, I would not wear this at a gym. I wouldn't wear it on a plane. I wouldn't wear it at church. Certain areas, I wouldn't wear it where you need to be a little bit more subtle with your scent. But outside of that, oh my gosh, I think you could rock this anywhere. I think you could even wear it at the office, although you may have to pull back on the sprays. Again, 2 sprays were blasting last night. I'm going to try over this next week to test it out and see what is the right amount of sprays. I'm hoping that I can still rock my 5 with it, but if I need to tone back, I'll tone back. I don't need to choke people out. I don't need to be that loud. But oh my gosh, I may wear this today, even though I really shouldn't, but I may wear this today. This is an amazing fragrance, and I'm so thrilled with the pickup. Highly recommend it. Again, I saw it on Amazon. It's 35 bucks. So affordable. Definitely like it. I'll try and link it below if this is something you're interested in. And as always, thanks for following. I really appreciate it. We are growing rapidly, and it's all because of you guys. So cannot wait to see what the future holds, and I hope that these videos are helping you smell better. So thank you so much. This is Nubs Fragrance. Look forward to talking to you soon.